a warm welcome to all you lovely viewers in today's episode of our weekly magazine series, Youth Folio. Get ready to go on a visual trip across the 8 amazing states of the region with us right away.
Assam celebrates Magh Bihu. Donna Minister launches NERCOM 3 project in Manipur. Saras Mela held in Tripura. National Service Scheme Festival held in Shillong. Tripura celebrates Manipuri Puthiba Festival. Assam organizes first international Agri-Horti show. Manipur prays for peace and prosperity during Emoinu Puja. Rich and poor, rural and urban, young and old, all celebrated Magh Bihu in Assam for a full 2-day long period with great festivity. Mejis were built in many locations across the state with great enthusiasm. Lord Agni was offered prayers with full devotion, and thanksgiving was given to gods for full granaries and good harvest, even as the people beseeched for good crops in the preceding years and for wiping out evil, militancy and hatred with the burning down of the Mejis. The ashes of these Mejis are scattered in the fields with the hope of good harvest. All across the state, the pleasing tip-tap sounds of dhekis could be heard even as women pounded rice to powder in the process of making delicious pitas and other sweets. Fish was taken out on large scale with great delight and sold in the many markets across the state, wherein people vied with one another to buy the biggest and best among the many varieties available. The pleasant weather and peaceful situation on land has enabled people cutting across tribes and communities to celebrate festivals en masse and with full gusto, as is evident everywhere.
हम लोगों का प्रयास यही है कि हम लोग का जो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स है असम के अलग अलग जगह से उन लोगों को एक मार्केट देने का प्रयास है यहाँ पे। तो उन लोगों को हम लोग बुलाया, फिर वो लोग आके जगह जगह से जो उन लोगों का स्पेशलिटी है वो सब लाके यहाँ पे मार्केट के लिए वो लोग ला रहे हैं। और हम लोग को भी बिहू के लिए गुवाहाटी के लोगों को तो इतना फ्रेश सामान मिलता भी नहीं, तो यहाँ पे मिल रहा है सबको।
बहुत खुशी होता है कि जब माघ बिहू आता है, भोगाली मिल में ये बिहू आता है, तब सब लोग को खुशी यही होता है कि जो फार्मर खेती का करने वाला लोग मतलब जब ये खेती करके सिटी में बेचता है तो उसी चावल से नया नया मतलब बहुत नया अलग अलग आइटम निकलता है और सबको खुशी मिलता है ये कि माघ बिहू कब आएगा, मकर क्रांति कब आएगा, जो हम लोग सब एक साथ मिलकर खाना खा सकता है।
Donna Minister Shri Pawan Singh Ghatawar launched the third phase of the Northeastern Community Resource Management Project or NERCOM 3 for Manipur's Churachandpur and Chandel Hill districts at a function held at the auditorium of Manipur Film Development Corporation at Konong Mamang in Imphal on the 8th of January. The objective of this project is to improve the livelihood options of economically vulnerable groups in a sustainable manner through the promotion of improved livelihood opportunities. Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, Mr. Gaikhangam, Member of Parliament, Thangso Baite, Secretary Donor, Sri U.K. Sangma and other officials were also present in the launching ceremony. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Ghatawar said,
"The project cost of 540 crores, out of which 216 crore is estimated for 2 districts of Manipur, and the project period is 6 years from 2014 to 2020.
The 9th Regional Saras Fair held at the International Fairground at Hapania near Agartala, Tripura, presented a chance to several self-help groups to market their wares. Artisans from the remotest of villages in the state connected with customers directly. On display were a wide range of their handiworks including bamboo furniture, mura and decorative items, different vegetables and medicinal plants, colorful stoles with traditional tribal designs, dry flowers, ready-made garments, soft toys, jewelry made from bamboo, etc. The 15-day fair also provided a very good opportunity to all the artisans to share knowledge and bond with each other. The main aim of fairs like this organized by various departments of the government is to ensure that people engaged in crafts and working under self-help groups get regular markets to sell their products at remunerative prices.
Villagers are also very happy that their products are selling. People are buying their products. People are recognizing them and recognizing their products, recognizing their SHG groups. So this whole idea of this Mela, it's very good, and it is, we can say that in coming future, maybe this more SHGs will come.
Altogether, 350 young boys and girls from all the 8 states of the Northeast region attended a 5-day-long Northeast National Service Scheme or NSS festival held in Shillong between the 7th to the 11th of January to promote communal harmony, mutual fraternity and sustainable development. Inaugurating the festival, Meghalaya Governor Dr. K.K. Paul underlined the responsibility of the government and private sectors to invest in projects for the youth so as to prevent them from going astray. He said that the youth play a major role in the development of a country in terms of demographic dividends.
In case the country wants the youth to participate in development of the country, then some investment has to be made. Investment has to be made by the elders and in various aspects, so that the youth is not, the advantages are not squandered away and they can meaningfully contribute to the progress and development of the country.
Earlier, a group of local Khasi boys and girls wearing their traditional attires felicitated the governor and presented a welcome song. Concluding session, boys and girls from Assam performed Bihu and enthralled the audience.
The organizing committee over here in Meghalaya, they did a great job. It's their fooding, lodging, and they take us to Cherrapunji trip. And they organize valuable, knowledgeable seminars. So where we come to know that how we can develop our personality, how the passion of a person become a profession, and how to be a leader, how to become a leader.
It was amazing, a lovely cold chilly place, and the people, their hospitality, their love and their generosity, their humbleness, and their open and flexible. So it's very loving, a very good experience of the place of Cherrapunji and all. Wow, it's amazing, the cave and all the place. I love it, and the food, everything is awesome, and all the Manipur people were so glad to be here.